forgot to take a video of the final product of the second section. It's white, so I did a much better job on this section than that one. That was my first one. I did a broom finish and I did it too soon and it didn't really turn white. I just did a poor job. This section, you can kind of see where the middle was. This is the one that I finished last weekend, a weekend before, whenever I was doing it, and waited a little bit longer to brush it with the broom, and it's way better, much better. So on this last section, I'm not going to film a whole lot because it's basically the exact same thing. I got 14 bags of concrete, which obviously I'm just using as filler, and then I'll put gravel on top of that, not getting a whole lot in the edges. And then I got my hammer drill, picked up some, well, I used rebar when I connected those two. I didn't have any more rebar, so I'm using, I don't know, all thread stuff I've just had laying around the shop forever. I'm just gonna drill holes in this piece of concrete here, which will tie in this piece to this piece when it's poured. It's June 12th. It's about 104 degrees out here. It's probably noon. Been out here since 7:30 pouring this last piece of concrete, and I'm a little bit irritated because Quickcrete is usually pretty good. Obviously I did all this with bags, but I opened up four or five bags out of the 40 it took to do this part that I'm about to show you. It was just aggregate. There was no cement in there at all. So this is my worst section. I'm pretty annoyed. Couldn't even get the aggregate to go down. Whatever the aggregate goes down, it looks nice and white at the top. Yeah, not so much. Here's what I got going. It's kind of hard to see probably because I've got the tent up, my name in there, but you can kind of see it. Aggregate just sitting on top. Couldn't even push it down. Had it nice and wet and everything. It wouldn't work. That second section came out great. First section, not as great, but okay. This section, some of it's okay. It's too high over there, it's too low right there. I don't know, maybe maybe it's too hot, I don't know. Either way, this is what it looks like. It's not perfect. You can kind of see it's not, the wood wasn't straight, so, you know, it's not straight. There's a couple things wrong with it. It's not terrible, but it's gonna take some work to get the structure built. I'm going to use a water level since my concrete's probably not straight, so I get my tops right for my gables. But I'll video that as I go. More later.